There is a story in Brahma Puran and also the Padma Puran that Lord Brahma, when he created, Brahma was never born. These are the science and knowledge. The born gods are like Lord Rama and Lord Krishna. They are the history. Rest, everything is either science or knowledge.
Right.
Okay. Now Brahma ji ne jab creation start kiya, when he started creation, then from his head the Brahmans got the birth. From the arms the Kshatri got the birth. From the thighs Vaishyas were born, and from the foot Shudras were born. So then the story says that when these people were dying and going to the Yamraj was not able to find out what was this guy doing all his life, where to put him, whether to the hell or to the heaven. Then he created somebody called Kayasth, which was named Chitragupt, who was taking hidden pictures of all these guys, what they are doing all your life, and I will keep a repository of your actions, and at the end of your life I will show all these pictures to Yamraj. And this was Kayasth, who is supposed to be found in all these 4 categories of people. So that Kayasth is nothing but the soul, which is, these 4 people are from body, the Kayasth is from the soul. Right? In a sociological atmosphere, the connotation goes like this, that in the society you have 5 different type of people. Brahman, the one who love knowledge, develop knowledge. Kshatri, who are like warriors and who want to do the justice to the people. The Vaishyas, who want to do the trading and services, and the Shudras, who want to might have limited capability, so they provide limited services. And their hierarchy is also dependent on to what extent they are dedicated to what extent of society they are dedicated to. The Brahman is like Shudra is dedicated to the few people, maybe
the locality, particular locality, or city.
Traders is dedicated to certain locality, or now you have global business, so meaning changes. But the Kshatri warriors, they were dedicated to certain state or kingdom or something like this. But the Brahman was dedicated to the entire humanity. So that is how they are ranked together. They are Brahman bade hote hain, chote hote hain. It's not at a human level. The Gita is very clear. Samam sarveshu bhuteshu या पश्यति स पश्यति. समम सर्वेषु भूतेषु, भगवान कहते हैं कि मैं सब में समान रूप से बैठा हुआ हूँ. एवरीबडी इज इक्वल. देयर इज नो डिफरेंशिएशन बिटवीन द पीपल. And it has been, that egalitarian principle has been quoted more than 8 to 10 times by Lord Krishna himself in Bhagavad Gita. Okay, so the caste, the point is that the Kayastha in a socialistic pattern is the voice of the soul of the society. So you have knowledgeable people, defenders, traders and service class, but there is something called soul in the society, the people who speak the truth. And to speak the truth you need a lot of courage. So there are people who come out, who challenge the system, who challenge the norms, who are non-conformist in nature, who are trying to give a direction to the society, who are trying to give new knowledge. So sometimes they might face challenges and adversities and all those things, but they are the soul of the society. So they are the Kayasth. And I never say it is by lineage that I am Srivastava or somebody is Saxena, so he is Kayasth. No, I am not saying that. Please be very clear.
So you are the soul of the society.
So coincidentally, I am also Srivastava. Maybe. I'm not sure that I am soul of the society. But yes, I am trying to discover some truth. I am trying to share my knowledge with the people. And I am trying to see there are certain ills in the society which I want to kill. And all these things are very relevant in today's date. I mean, people think that religion is not relevant. That's also a mishap.